Before TLC, my life was a mess. I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia in my late 20s, and with the weight gain that I had, I hurt every day. I was in extreme pain. It was real difficult for me to make it from my bed to the living room in the morning. At the moment that I found TLC, I was 282 pounds. I was extremely depressed. I didn't feel like I had a life. I didn't want to go outside of my house, really, because I was afraid that someone that maybe I went to school with would see me and think, wow, she's really gained a lot of weight. My husband was about to be deployed for a year, and he needed to lose a couple of pounds. And I knew that if I didn't do what I was supposed to do, he wouldn't either. And I felt like if he went over there a little overweight and suffered, it would be my fault. So I was like, well, I can do anything for a month, and then when he's gone, I'll just quit. And in the first 2 days, I was down 10 pounds. I actually stepped on the scale 5 times that morning. And I emailed Stacy. I was like, either my scales broke or I've hit the Holy Grail, because this has never happened to me before. So I did continue on, and I averaged between 15 and 20 pounds a month. And when my husband came home on the 6-month mark, he didn't even recognize me at the airport. I honestly feel like a different person now. You can't keep me at home. We're always going somewhere. I'm just happier. I feel better in my being. I'm currently down 120 pounds. I'm a better mother and a better wife. It just gave me my life back. My name is Jodie Tyson, and I have made a total life change.